Hey there! Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best oscillating water sprinklers to help you keep your lawn green and your garden thriving with less effort. From wide coverage to precise controls, we've got the best picks lined up. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Linex Oscillating Water Sprinkler. The Linex Oscillating Water Sprinkler is designed to deliver efficient and even irrigation for a wide range of outdoor spaces, making garden maintenance simpler and more effective. Equipped with 18 precision nozzles, it ensures consistent water distribution across your lawn or garden. With a coverage range of approximately 385 to 2,360 square feet, it is suitable for both small and large areas, helping plants receive the right amount of moisture to support healthy and vigorous growth. This sprinkler is built with functional flexibility in mind. It features 3 adjustable components that allow users to control both the water flow and the spraying range. This means you can easily customize watering patterns based on different plant needs, soil conditions, or garden layouts. Whether you need a concentrated soak for specific areas or wide coverage for open lawns, the adjustment options make it practical and user-friendly. Durability is another key aspect of its design. The internal metal core provides strong structural support, ensuring long-lasting performance even with regular use. The outer shell is made from lightweight yet sturdy plastic, offering protection against wear while keeping the sprinkler easy to handle and position in different areas of your garden. To enhance convenience, the sprinkler comes with quick connect accessories that allow fast and secure attachment to standard garden hoses. It also includes nozzle cleaning needles, making it easy to maintain optimal performance by preventing clogging and ensuring smooth water flow over time. Beyond gardening, the Linex Oscillating Water Sprinkler is versatile in its usage. It is suitable not only for lawns, gardens, and vegetable patches, but also for watering front and backyards. During hot summer days, it can even be used for outdoor fun, providing a refreshing water spray for children and pets to enjoy. Overall, this sprinkler combines adjustable functionality, durable construction, and wide coverage to support efficient watering and enjoyable outdoor use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gudwing Oscillating Water Sprinkler. Gudwing Oscillating Water Sprinkler is designed to deliver efficient and wide-ranging lawn and garden irrigation with ease and durability. Measuring 18.3 by 5.5 by 3.5 inches, it features an upgraded structure with 18 high-quality brass nozzles that ensure powerful and even water distribution. With coverage of up to 3,600 square feet, it is suitable for watering large lawns, gardens, and outdoor spaces effectively. Built for stability and long-term outdoor use, the sprinkler comes with an extra-large base that helps it remain steady in different weather conditions. This solid construction enhances durability, making it reliable for regular garden maintenance throughout the seasons. One of its key features is the adjustable water flow control. By sliding the switch, users can easily modify the watering range, whether they need full yard coverage or a focused spray for flower beds in smaller areas. This flexibility makes it useful for various applications, including garden irrigation, agricultural watering, field cooling, and general outdoor maintenance tasks. The sprinkler is designed for simple and hassle-free operation. It connects directly to a standard garden hose, and water pressure automatically activates the oscillating function, allowing it to start watering without additional setup or power sources. Maintenance is also convenient thanks to its built-in cleaning system. A metal sieve located in the hose adapter helps filter out dirt and debris, preventing nozzle blockages. In addition, a built-in nozzle cleaner at the end of the chassis allows users to easily clear any clogs, ensuring consistent performance over time. Compatible with standard 3/4-inch garden hose fittings, the Gudwing Oscillating Water Sprinkler performs well under both high and low water pressure conditions.
making it a practical solution for a wide range of household and outdoor watering needs.
At number 3, the Melnor Oscillating Water Sprinkler.
The Melnor Oscillating Water Sprinkler is designed to deliver efficient and customizable lawn irrigation, making it suitable for a wide range of yard sizes and garden layouts. Equipped with 20 precision nozzles, it provides even water distribution and can cover areas of up to 4,500 square feet, helping maintain healthy grass and thriving plants throughout the season. One of its standout features is the watering width indicators, which allow users to clearly visualize and adjust the spray width. This makes it easier to set consistent watering patterns and remember preferred configurations for future use. The Twin Touch controls further enhance flexibility by letting users adjust both the width and range of the water spray. This means you can direct water precisely where it is needed, whether covering a broad lawn or targeting a smaller flower bed. Another useful function is the zoom control, which adjusts the overall watering area. It can be zoomed in for delicate tasks like watering newly seeded patches, or expanded to cover larger sections of the yard. This adaptability ensures efficient water usage while supporting different stages of lawn and garden growth.
A more advanced version, the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler, builds on this design with enhanced durability and performance features. It includes a dirt-resistant drive system that ensures smooth and consistent movement even when using well water or water containing small particles. This prevents interruptions in watering and reduces the risk of puddling.
The XT Turbo model also maintains the same 4,500 square foot coverage capability and Twin Touch control system, allowing precise adjustment of both watering width and range. Its robust construction is designed for long-term use, making it suitable for homeowners who need reliable irrigation season after season.
Both models are built to support efficient lawn care, combining adjustable settings, wide coverage, and durable engineering to help maintain green, healthy outdoor spaces with ease.
In the second spot, we have the Eden Oscillating Water Sprinkler.
The Eden Oscillating Water Sprinkler is designed to deliver efficient and even watering for lawns and gardens, making outdoor maintenance more convenient and precise. Built for broad coverage, it features 16 precision nozzles that distribute water smoothly across areas of up to 3,600 square feet, helping ensure consistent hydration for grass, plants, and garden beds.
Ease of use is a key highlight of this sprinkler. The sliding tab range controls allow users to quickly adjust the watering area without complicated setup, making it simple to customize coverage based on garden size or shape. This flexibility helps reduce water waste while ensuring that every section of the lawn receives the right amount of irrigation.
At the core of its performance is a sealed turbo drive motor, engineered with a patented design for smooth operation and extended gear life. This system supports reliable movement over time, helping maintain consistent oscillation even with frequent use. To further enhance stability, the sprinkler includes a weighted base that keeps it firmly in place, reducing movement caused by water pressure and ensuring accurate watering patterns.
Maintenance is also made easier with a built-in cleaning tool that helps keep the nozzles clear and functioning efficiently. This supports long-term performance and helps prevent clogging from dirt or mineral buildup.
In addition, the system is compatible with Eden Quick Connects, which are made from durable ABS plastic for long-lasting, leak-free use. These connectors allow users to quickly switch between watering tools by keeping adapters attached to each device. The Water Stop feature enables tool changes without needing to shut off the water supply, while the twist and lock mechanism ensures a secure connection. Overall, the Eden Oscillating Water Sprinkler combines wide coverage, user-friendly controls, and durable construction to support efficient garden irrigation and simplify everyday watering tasks.
And finally, at number 1, we have the Aqua Joe Oscillating Water Sprinkler. The Aqua Joe oscillating water sprinkler is designed to deliver efficient and customizable lawn and garden watering with consistent coverage and reliable performance. Built for everyday outdoor use, it provides a practical solution for maintaining healthy grass, plants, and garden spaces with minimal effort. One of its key strengths is its precision coverage capability. The oscillating design allows it to water up to 3,600 square feet, making it suitable for both medium and large outdoor areas. With adjustable range and width controls, users can easily fine-tune the spray pattern to match different landscape layouts, whether watering wide-open lawns, narrow garden strips, or mixed-use yards. The sprinkler is equipped with 16 durable nozzles, engineered to resist clogging, ensuring steady water flow over time. For added convenience, it includes a built-in pin cleanout tool, making maintenance quick and simple so watering sessions remain uninterrupted. Stability is another important feature of this system. It comes with an extra-large solid metal base that keeps the sprinkler firmly in place during operation. This helps prevent tipping or unwanted movement, even when placed on uneven grass or soil surfaces. Designed for strong and efficient performance, the sprinkler connects easily to standard garden hoses and supports water pressure up to 120 psi. It can deliver a flow rate of up to 6.65 GPM and reach distances of up to 70 feet, helping ensure even distribution of water across the targeted area without waste. The Aqua Joe oscillating water sprinkler is part of the broader Go with Joe lineup created by Joe Brands. The company focuses on developing practical, affordable, and innovative tools for home, yard, garden, and garage use. Each product is designed with user-friendly operation and dependable performance in mind, aiming to simplify everyday outdoor tasks. Overall, this oscillating sprinkler offers a balanced combination of coverage control, durability, and ease of use, making it a practical addition for maintaining a well-watered and healthy outdoor space. Ready to upgrade your lawn care game? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more smart home and garden picks.